Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am your problem solver, Utpal. So today we'll be looking at this problem. So this is lead code 137, which is like single number 2. This is a second variation of single number. Okay, so let us first read through the problem. Okay, so given an integer array nums, so it's the input integer array nums where every element appears three times. We should always focus on the things that are written in bold. Okay. So it says that every element appears three times except for one. Okay. So this is the main statement of this problem. Three times all the elements in that array appears three times except for one, which appears exactly once. Okay. So let's say there is a list of elements which has one element that is occurring only once and rest all the elements appear thrice. Okay. So it is asking us to give us find the single element and return it. Okay, so we need to find that particular element which is appearing exactly once. Okay, okay, it also says that you must implement a solution with a linear runtime complexity, use only constant extra space. Okay, we shall look into it. Okay, here are two of the test cases. Here in the first case you can see that 2 is occurring thrice and 3 is occurring only once, so it is returning 3. Okay. So similarly here, there are like many numbers like 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. So both 0 and 1 occurs thrice except 99, which is occurring once. Okay. So we understood. So we need to return that number, that particular number whose frequency or occurrence is 1. Okay. So let's code. So so it is talking about linear runtime. Okay. So what if instead of list we use set, right? I'll show you like how we do that. Okay. We will be using least comprehension. So I for I in instead of nums, we'll do a set of nums so that we don't have that repetition issue. And each of the elements we will visit only once. Okay. So if I if nums dot count of I, because we want to check for the frequency of that particular element equal to 1. Okay. So now it will return us that, and it just says that we need to return it, right? So n of 0. So let's run the code. So I believe it should work fine. Otherwise, we'll see like what will happen. Okay, I made a syntax error. That's fine. Fine. It is getting accepted. We'll try to submit it. Let's see. Great. It got accepted. Okay. So let us like reduce these lines of code. I think we can do it in one line. I will try to do that. Let's see. We'll directly return this one along with 0. Let's see if it is getting accepted or not. So basically like Python is full of one-liners, so I'll try to solve it using one-liner. Great, it also got accepted. Congratulations to us. We were able to solve it in a single line. Okay. So if you like this video, you can like and subscribe to know more. That's it for now. We will meet again next time. Thanks. Take care. Bye bye.